So infrastructure. So we will see how the state's economic growth is dependent on the infrastructure. So we have a strong linkage between industry, infrastructure, and academic institutions. So we have a strong relationship. So the industry will say the requirements, and the academic institutions frequently update their syllabus and train the students based on the requirements. So we are the industrial powerhouse of the country, and we continue to develop with a resilient infrastructure. The state has made tremendous progress in both social and economic infrastructure. So we had roadways, we have railways, we have ports, and all these things have been significantly improved over the time. So when we have also the government has developed a lot of industrial parks, transport and logistics, energy and utility, and communication infrastructure. So we have all these development happening in our state, which is aiding the industrial growth. Okay, so first one, industrial bank, parks, and land bank creation. So first one, you see, so we have Tamil Nadu has a wide network of industrial parks and estate offering developed plots with supporting infrastructure. We are earmarking portions of land as industrial park, and there we are giving that plot for the companies to establish their machinery, and they can start producing their product. So we have 57 approved SEZ. SEZ is Special Economic Zone where you have all the benefits. The SIPCOT, Small Industries Promotion Corporation of Tamil Nadu, SIPCOT, and Small Industries Development Corporation, SIPCO. So these two have set up industrial parks, have a totally they have the lands worth 40,000 acres, out of which 3,000 acres available. So out of the 45,000 acres given to SIPCO and SIPCOT for establishing the industrial parks, 3,500 acres is still available for companies to come and establish their company. Okay, SIPCOT is also in the process of establishing industrial parks in the district of Kanchipuram, Tiruvallur, Madurai. So all these districts, you see, they are the districts where the growth is not that high. So we are focusing at balanced, inclusive growth. So if that is to happen, we have to focus our industries and factories towards second tier cities where the growth is very, very slow. So government is also developing industry specific parks to help promote cluster based development. So if an industrial park is coming in a particular area, the cluster around that area gets developed. So that in that way you can achieve a balanced growth and inclusive growth. Some private industrial parks are also looking at plug and play facilities to attract export oriented industries. So apart from government, some private industrial parks are also available. So the Mahindra City, what you see near Chengalpet, is a private industrial park, and whereas all the SIPCOT and SIPCO, they are going to be from the government side. So SIPCOT are not allowed that allottees who have used 50% of the allotted area to construct plug and play facilities and sublease it to others. So 50% of allotted area you have to use it. Otherwise, you cannot lease that area to anybody else. So special incentive package shall be promoted to developers of private industrial parks in the city. So if private players come and want to develop the industrial park, they are given special intention. They are given special incentives.